بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء المرسلين. I want to say thank you and this great honor for me in this event. I see this, clean Pakistan. I think before to clean Pakistan, you have to clean the heart. Because I think it's very important in this time to clean heart and become united. Without you become united, we can't do anything. Without you become united, we can't, make good future for Pakistan. Without you become united, I mean government, people, army, everybody in Pakistan, we have one aim, one target, become united. Especially in this time, we facing now a lot of problem in the economy, but I think in future there is a lot of future in Pakistan, and you are now everybody here the future for Pakistan, inshallah. My aim, and this what wallahi my aim of the custodian of Holy Mosque, King Salman and the Crown Prince, Pakistan will be a great country, inshallah. And always, as mentioned, my brother, the Saudi Arabia always will stand with Pakistan shoulder by shoulder. The Saudi Arabia, the kingdom, always, to support Pakistan, to, in the critical situation, to support Pakistan. And wallahi, this, inshallah, what my duty and task in this country, because wallahi, if you ask any Saudi about Pakistan, he loved Pakistan from core heart. And this wallahi, I spent here more than 5 years now, wallahi, like in my home. I respect this country, and I will work hard for, inshallah, to make deep relation between two brother countries. Inshallah. I hope, inshallah, good luck and stable, inshallah, and security for Pakistan and for all Ummah. Thank you.
Brother, I would like to say a few words for my what you about just say thank you. It is a great honor for us.
Also, I want to say thank you for, Group College to invite me in this, occasion. And I hope, inshallah, we'll see more, inshallah, cadet, and inshallah, I promise, inshallah, to visit, the place, inshallah, in soon. But wallahi, sometimes I don't find, time to stay with my, daughters and, my family. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Now, I would request the respected chief guest of today's ceremony that he will be presenting shields to. I would request Chairperson, Icon Group of Colleges, Ms. Aziz Fatima Naz, to please join us on stage. A big round of applause, everyone. और इसी दौरान हमें ज्वाइन किया है रिफाही शख्सियत ने, फलाही शख्सियत ने, और अगर कहूँ रिफा के एक बड़े नाम, क्रिएटिव हेड, हमारे दिलों की जान और पहचान, सर मतीन फारूकी साहब के लिए हो जाए तालियां। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर, आपने हमें ज्वाइन किया। गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर फॉर टुडेज सेरेमनी नाउ सर Sayyid Ijazur Rahman Saab and Mrs. Fatima Naz Sahiba will join us on stage to present shields. Ms. Aziz Fatima Naz, Chairperson, Icon Group of Colleges, will present shield to the Ambassador of Saudi in Pakistan, Nawaf bin Saeed Al Maliki. आप सबकी भरपूर खामोशी। Thank you so very much, Ms. Aziz Fatima Naz, Chairperson, Icon Group of Colleges, presenting shield to a respected Saudi Ambassador